At least 20 people killed in a gas station explosion in Nagorno-Karabakh. The explosion occurred in the town of Stepanakert, the capital of Nagorno-Karabakh. The cause of the explosion is not yet known. The explosion triggered a large fire that spread to nearby buildings. Thousands of people are fleeing Nagorno-Karabakh to Armenia. The explosion comes amid a tense standoff between Armenia and Azerbaijan over the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh. The explosion occurred on the eve of a major religious holiday in Armenia. The explosion damaged several buildings in Stepanakert. The explosion caused a power outage in Stepanakert. The explosion is the deadliest incident in Nagorno-Karabakh since the 2020 war between Armenia and Azerbaijan.